Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. I hope you guys are doing well. In today's video, we are going to discuss how to update Safari on Mac. Let's start the video. First, open your Safari browser. Now click on Safari here on the top left. Or you can see here About Safari. Click on About Safari. Now just see the current version of your Safari browser. It is 17.6. Now what you have to do, just search here current Safari version. As you can see, the current version of Safari is 26.2, released on 13 December 2025. Now if I want to update my Safari, what I have to do, just close this tab. Now open your system preferences. You can see software update. Click on software update. You can see on my screen your Mac is up to date. My Mac is already updated. I have macOS Monterey 12.7.6 version, so there is no update on my Mac. In order to update your Safari, you must have to update your whole Mac for this. If your whole Mac will get updated, your Safari also get updated. I hope you find this video very relevant and useful. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Thank you for watching.